Every time you train, a new limit is pushed. Why should your carry bag limit you? Stuff jammed, space cramped. Worn clothes mixed with clean clothes. Your gear deserves better. You deserve better. Introducing Cinomadist Swift, intelligent organization powering active lifestyles. 29 liters of optimized capacity. Over 20 features. 18 tailored pockets. One bag for workout, peace of mind. Let's break it down. Your gym gear gets ready. So your whole bag has to? Not with a detachable wet pouch. Sealed. Built to isolate moisture. Use it, remove it, rinse it, reattach it. No leaks, no mixing, no noises. The ventilated shoe compartment keeps things fresh. Modular dividers make space for all your, well, everything. Heavy gear day? Bring it on! More space means more gear, without compromise. And the clamshell opening creates instant total access. Next level just leveled up. Ready to get moving? Adjust the sternum strap for that perfect fit. From CrossFit rigs to tennis courts, the main compartment is designed for universal compatibility with any sport. Back pocket for rackets, hidden back pocket for valuables. Enjoy your tennis to the fullest without worrying about organizing chaos. Cinomadist Swift features 4 strategic quick grab pockets for swiping in a flash, and easily customize your setup with side Velcro. Cinomadist Swift flexes with whatever your day brings. Maintain chill through the grind. With the 3D airflow back pedal, take on the world in a weekend. Bring Cinomadist Swift to make it happen. Cinomadist Swift is unaffected by light rain and daily wear. The reinforced construction handles even your most daring workouts. Commute, travel, exert. Swift transitions from gym to office to travel needs. Padded compartment to keep your tech protected. Up to 17-inch laptops. Transit luggage design expedites you through terminals, styling in urban forest or shadow black. Cinomadist Swift doesn't just carry your gear, it gives you momentum. Train harder, move smarter, keep onward.